Hi everyone, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. From time to time, we see some pretty ordinary lawn care habits, from overgrown lawns to burnt grass from the wrong application of a product. In this video, we're going to be dishing out the dirt on what not to do to your lawn so you can keep your lawn game strong. We understand that when you get a lawn care product, you can't wait to apply it to your lawn and let it do its thing. But it's really important that you always read the product label first. If you apply too little of the product, it won't work to its full potential, where if you apply too much, other issues like burning can occur. Ensure the product is safe for your lawn type and apply at the correct label rates. If your product has a critical comment section on its label, ensure you read them. This section will usually outline if the product needs to be applied to a dry lawn, needs watering in, or if it needs mowing to be delayed after application. Water is essential for your lawn's health. If correct watering techniques are used, your lawn will become more resilient, hardy, and drought tolerant. Too much water can lead to the grass sitting damp for extended periods, which can lead to disease and also deprive the roots of oxygen and nutrients. Generally, if you want to water, it's best to do so in the morning before the heat of the day. It's also important to water for longer and less frequently. Watering this way will prevent fungal diseases from the lawn sitting damp for too long at one time. Using blunt blades can lead to bruising of the leaf and ripping and tearing rather than a clean cut. When your lawn has had a clean cut with sharp blades, it will allow for more efficient nutrient uptake and water absorption, leading to a healthier lawn. If your blades are bent, snapped, extremely thin, or even have holes in them, they will need to be replaced. When the grass is left too long between mows or is mown too short, you can cut into the stem of the grass, removing all the green leaves, which leaves brown patches behind. This is known as scalping. Mow regularly to help avoid scalping your lawn. It is best to mow regularly enough to remove only 1/3 of the leaf or less. If your lawn has scalped during the cooler months, you can amend this by raising the height of your mower up a notch or two to allow the green leaf to grow back in. Once the weather warms up in spring, you can consider doing a full height reset off your lawn, or if your lawn is scalping due to being uneven, you can apply a top dressing as well. When your lawn becomes overgrown, it will not only decrease your curb appeal, but will also damage your lawn's health in the long run by interrupting its growth pattern and making it more susceptible to disease. If your lawn has been left unmown for a few weeks, you should be able to raise your lawnmower to its highest setting and bring down the height gradually. If you're struggling with keeping up with the mowing during the warmer months, we recommend using a plant growth regulator like Primo Max. Primo Max will slow down the growth of your grass, reducing your mowing by up to half. If you can avoid making these common mistakes and eliminate any bad habits from your lawn care activities, you'll go a long way to improving the overall performance of your lawn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to catch you next time.